I don't think people understand how much magic is hidden at Disneyland. So there's a super cool and hidden gem at the New Orleans Square train station. Ever heard that tapping sound? That's not just random noise, it's actually Morse code. And guess what? It's tapping out the first two sentences of Walt Disney's opening day speech from July 17th, 1955. Walt's words were, "To all who come to this happy place, welcome. Disneyland is your land." Isn't that amazing? Next time you're there, take a moment to listen and feel the magic of history. Disneyland is full of these little Easter eggs. Keep your eyes and ears open, and remember there's always a bit of magic hiding around every corner. Hit like if you love Disney secrets, and don't forget to share this with your fellow Disney enthusiasts. See you real soon.